Dashcam information from an expert in the field. All about dashcam. Accidents are something we avoid. But there were 1.3 road fatalities per 10,000 registered motor vehicles in 2017, 0.7 in Canada, 0.5 in the UK, and 0.6 in Australia. Typically, a car accident is unexpected for both parties involved. Not every accident has a reliable witness. 64% of the drivers who have been in an accident have experienced an involved party lie about the accident or deny liability. However, 83% of those drivers said that owning a dashcam helped them resolve the dispute. So don't let lies or denials become the truth. Because only a dashcam tells the truth. Is spending money on a dashcam worth it? Well, the decision is yours. We will explain incidents that occur while your vehicle is parked and the importance of having a dashcam with a parking mode feature. Make sure to like this video and to subscribe to our channel. We will randomly select one winner who liked and subscribed to win a Thinkware U1000 4K dashcam with cloud and ADAS features.